Hi, my name's Amanda, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the glossary feature within GoSearch. Once you're at your GoSearch dashboard, you're going to navigate to the left and select Glossary. The glossary is really great for new hires or employees that switch teams, so they can help get familiar with terms and definitions that they might not already be familiar with. You can navigate the glossary using the first letter in the word you're looking for. So for example, if you select M, it'll show you words that all start with M. You can also create new entries for words that don't exist. So for today's example, I'm going to define the term Sal here. And then once that's all good to go, I will go ahead and post. And now when you navigate to the letter S, you can see that my new term is in the glossary. Thanks for watching.